You are not poor because of your income. You are poor because of your purchases. Every coin you spend is a vote. Most men keep voting for their own chains. Rent, food, trinkets. By the time you are paid, your money already belongs to everyone else. The merchants smile. The banks applaud. The algorithm whispers, "You deserve it." A man hears a colder voice. What you buy owns you. Today we write a blacklist. 3 enemies. 3 mouths you must starve. You feed them with every swipe of your card. Then you wonder why your fortress is empty. Kill these 3, and the chains grow weak. Enemy 1, status. Enemy 2, comfort. Enemy 3, distraction. The new chariot, the shining watch. You are not dressing your body. You are dressing your insecurity. You borrow money to pretend you are richer than you are. That is not wealth. That is theater. The village claps, but the banker holds the strings. The Ronin keeps his blade sharp and his robe plain. He would rather own power no one sees than fabric that fools the village. The dog barks to show his collar is gold. The lion walks silently, for he knows what he is. If the answer is vanity, the Ronin's blacklist devours it. Status is hunger for applause. A wealth Ronin eats in silence. Enemy 2 is comfort. A slow poison that tastes like wine. You drink until you can no longer stand. The meal's delivered. The ride's summoned. You outsource every small struggle, then wonder why you feel so weak. To the left, the will to survive. To the right, the panic of the trapped. One finds a foothold in the jagged edges of pain. The other seeks an easy path and finds only a slippery grave. Don't just drive, climb. The Ronin walks when others ride. He cooks when others click. He chooses friction on purpose, because every task he keeps is strength he does not have to buy. Ask of each expense. Does this make me harder to kill or easier to control? The slave pays the world first. The Ronin pays the world nothing. If it buys softness, the blacklist takes it. We choose friction. Enemy 3, distraction. You check your phone at a clock. You look up and see time has passed quickly. The sun has set on your potential. Your life is stolen by the glow. Cheap entertainment is the most expensive addiction on earth. You pay with time, then with opportunity. The Ronin does not ban pleasure. He bans mindless pleasure. The cage does not need bars. When your mind is elsewhere, bring your mind home. When the noise stops, the work begins. We build on 3 pillars. First, the fortress. This is your shield against the world. It is not for luxury. It is for the right to say no to the boss, to the debt, to the fear. Second, the sword. These are your assets. Soldiers that fight for you while you sleep. Stock is a soldier. A business is a battalion. You are the general. Do not hoard the paper that burns. Forge the steel that lasts. Third, the map, your skills. The only asset they cannot tax or steal. They want you to be a part of the machine. Easy to swap, easy to discard. But a new skill is a custom key. It is a weapon that opens doors they intended to keep locked forever. Stop being a part. Become the power. Fortress, sword, map. Without all three, you are just a man with a dream. With them, you are a Ronin. Redirect the river of your wealth. Stop the leaks. Build the dam. This war is not won in a day. It is a siege. And the enemy is your own impatience. The masses want the harvest without the planting. They want the tower without the foundation. You will be different. You will have the patience of the mountain. One day you will notice the merchant's voice sounds quiet. The master's threat feels empty. That is the first taste of freedom, not a lottery win, but a quiet absence of fear. Sharpen your strategy, sharpen your mind. The gate is open. Become the master of your own fate. We begin now. Subscribe and click the links in the description to access the tools you need to start your transformation today.